Today's recipe is Pani Puri. Now let's look at the ingredients of the pani. The ingredients of the masala are the ingredients of the Meetha chutney are we need to do a few things beforehand. We need to clean the mint leaves and the coriander. We need to soak the tamarind, grind it and strain it. Now let's prepare our pani puri. To a mixer add the green chilies, ginger, cumin seeds, whole black pepper, mint leaves and coriander, to this add some water and grind it well. Remove the mixture into a big vessel. Some water to the mixer and add that as well. Keep on adding water. Now add salt as per taste. To it add the red chili powder. Add the pani puri masala. Now add the black salt. It's time to squeeze some lemon. Stir it well. Add the tamarind water that we had prepared initially. Stir it well. Our Chatpatta Pani is ready. To a bowl now add the boiled potatoes. Add the soaked bundi. Stir it well. Add the red chili powder. Add salt as per taste. And stir it. In a pan, add the tamarind water. Add jaggery. And add the dates. Stir it well. Now add salt as per taste. Take a bowl and strain this mixture that we just made. And the Meetha chutney is ready. This is our Chatpatta Pani Puri. Thank you for watching the video. Do leave a comment down. In case you liked the video, we'd request you to please hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon for notifications.